my friend. Boy, do we have a special treat today. When we play a C augmented, we are sharpening the fifth of the key, which means it's extended or augmented by 1/2 step, or a semitone, a minor second. That means anywhere you are, when you go up a 1/2 step, you are augmenting. Whenever you go down, you're diminishing. In the key of C major, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So to play a C major, we have a C, an E, and a G. So when we play an augmented, we keep the C and the E, the major third, but then the distance between the E and the G is no longer a minor third. We sharpen the G to a G sharp to extend a major third plus a major third. This builds some tension, as you would expect. So we know how to play the C major, I hope. We already know how to play the C minor, but we're avoiding that concept today. When we play a C, we have C, E, and then G. So to keep this higher C and this lower C and this third, we need to sharpen that G. Ooh, feel that tension? I would suggest playing with your 1 finger and your 3 finger to get used to playing these. The opposite, when you switch those, gives you unison notes, so it's good to know that, because sometimes I oopsidentally go like, rather than playing a C augmented. So knowing which way your fingers goes, knowing which way the fingers should go, I think grammatically that works, it makes a lot of sense in the long run because you're setting yourself up for success. All right, so when we play a C major and then we have a C augmented, a little groove on this. Fun. It's a C to a C and augmented to an A minor, believe it or not. We just have a high C in there. Have fun with that. The next time we're gonna play this augmented, we're gonna play it and it's gonna look exactly like our D minor, except we're gonna start it from the C and cover these 2 notes and then throw down either a pinky down here, or by all means, you can bar, use 1 finger and then throw this down. It still gives you the same quality, having a 1, 3, and a sharp 5. After that, we could take this beautiful monstrosity and we can play up top on the 5th fret right here to get our, what is that, a C. Keeping that C there, we're gonna have an E, and then we're gonna have a G sharp. So the last thing we're gonna wanna do is play that same shape that looks like this, right? But we're gonna play it on our 7 and our 8. And when we do that, we can keep that shape by moving this finger to cover it, and then add our pinky down here. Or again, this shape is the same exact shape we played here. So you can choose to play it like this or like that. See how it functionally moves? And then you can take these 2 and put a pinky up top on the 11.